Local news for Monday the 6th of November. Windows broken and basketball hoops damaged are what staff and Douglas Park School have had to deal with over the weekend. The school has had a large amount of damage recently through vandalism, and it's frustrating staff and students. A resident nearby also reportedly had a window broken. That was in the early hours of Saturday morning. Anyone with information are urged to contact police or can do so anonymously through Crime Stoppers. A former Wairarapa student is leading the way in design so that filling up at the petrol station takes on a whole new meaning. Jeremy Gardner, an industrial design student, and Jack Anderson's washing and refilling service enables people to fill up on water and coffee as well. Called Refresh, their system of washing and reusing cups and bottles to ensure they're recycled has gained quite the attention, and relies on 4 key components to help reduce waste. Mr Gardner says it's all about reducing the damage created by single-use disposable vessels in the coffee and water bottle industries. And in sport, Lansdowne have beaten Greytown by 4 wickets in the Umpires Cup cricket action at the weekend, Barrett taking 5 for 24, and McIntyre took 6 for 29 as Rathkill beat Red Star by 56 runs.